I'm going to talk about my journey. Very big hello. If you're new to the channel, I do tech, AI, business, and all those things, and a bit of aesthetics, of course. And this video is all about the corporate training I did while being 25, while building my own startup, while doing corporate training. I have done it in past for a California-based company, and that was like I was working as a machine learning trainer there, and then after that I was working remotely for a Mumbai based company where I was doing the course creation and all. So this was the first time for my own startup I was doing corporate training. So I taught more than 300 people there, and I'll give in a Notion doc how the whole framework I followed and how I actually got a corporate training client and how I did it, and it will be fully discussed in that. But this video is all about my experience, right? I was very nervous, like, because these were the finance people who had like 10 years, 15 years of experience, and I was teaching them. And that was the Claude training. Basically, I was teaching them about Claude. So we had some sessions, and I made them profound in the basics one, and later they are self-sustained now. So it was a total of 3 sessions that we had. I have few clips from it. I'll put it in the video so that you can see while I was talking about it. But that's one of the biggest achievement about me, because other than I was on the Times Square billboard because of Top Mid and all those things are there, but it's just I always thought I'll do this, and I did it, and no amount of happiness can sustain it, because I always thought I'll do it. You understand, right? Like, I had this thing in my mind. Okay, this is what I want in future to happen, and it actually happened. It means so much to me. When it happened, I was like, wait, this is actually becoming true. Wow. And like, I always believed in it, right? Like, it's not like I never believed in it, but it was like the first moment that it was, you can say, manifested it, and it actually happening. So it was really good. I really loved it. So yeah, and I'll tell the framework in Notion. You can comment framework, and I'll send it over in the comments. I'll write the link, and also it's in description. You can also check it from there. And I really love it. And do follow along for the journey, because I'm always sharing some new things. And one good thought that I actually listed Shiv AI on Product Hunt, and it went live. And I'll make a video about the experience about it. Wait for that one. But again, really grateful for all the things and for all the subscribers that are there. I know you guys came and you keep seeing the things, and I receive on my socials. You can, so I've started this new LinkedIn may posting and all those things. So little bit Hindi came out. That's my tongue. I just have it because, of course, from India, so I'll have to. So the thing is, I started posting a lot on LinkedIn. X is there. So you can check those out. Again, the links will be in description. And I started this Instagram page where I'm building my personal brand. You can check that out. It's called Talk Adi Talk, where I'm being myself. Okay, it's not about even data and all those things. It's just me as a person. Okay, and those things aside, I really love aesthetics and all those things. And yeah, it's like someone actually building thing in public, like real data business and ed tech, and doing these things. So it's really like, even I don't know a lot of things, but I'm building them and getting success in it is really magical to me. And this video was not scripted. I wanted to talk purely about my journey and how things happened. So I'll see you in the next one. Stick along, share it, and people who are building things. And if you're one, follow along for the journey. I'll give more raw insight, more things in the way. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Formatted it in a way that can really be understood. And as I told it in a table, it has the capability to present it in a table. So you can see what is the revenue miss, what is the net profit miss, and what are the items that are flagged for 10% variance, and what is the profit versus budget ratio. So it gives all the line items that is there with the likely reasons attached to it, and what is the favorable variances that are there. And it also gives you the board summary, and it also gives you additionally a few notes that you need to check out. So these you can, so this is just example, and this all happened because I was very specific in what I was asking and not going into the direction of just asking it random things. And since it was, if I can ask it into export it into a PDF manner, it can similarly do that. So it has that capability. So we'll be diving more deep into it. This was just a first example that I wanted to show. And moving on to the second one. So this is the example of good and bad prompt. So first is this analyze my PNL. So in this particular prompt that you are typing, you automatically assume Claude has all the inputs about it.